Hello, we are team number 3, and we are going to talk about the flood myths in the Mayan, Biblical, and Chinese perspective, and then compare them. The first myth we are going to talk about is the Mayan, in which God sent a flood to the earth to destroy wooden humans because he didn't like the behavior they were having because they didn't praise him. So now he created the humans we know nowadays out of cornmeal, and humans now know who created them, and they praise now God.
The second myth is about the flood but in the Bible. This myth explains that the humans and the earth had been corrupted. Evil and perversion were such that the only way to save the world was to corrupt evil and leave alive the only good that was still left. With the flood, God washed the world. It was a kind of baptism, giving humanity the opportunity for a new beginning.
The third myth is the Chinese one, but in this case, the reason and the context is different from most of these kind of myths.
This myth has its origin in the fight of two gods, the god of water and the god of fire. The first was defeated, and his rage gave a powerful headbutt to a mountain that was knocked down. But this mountain was one of the 4 pillars that support the sky, which caused such a tilt of the sky that affected the waters of the world. This caused a flood that swallowed all known lands and caused serious problems for human subsistence.
Emperor Zhao tried to find someone who could control the flood. He finally agreed to appoint Gon as responsible for controlling the flood. Gon was the prince of Chong and a distant relative of Zhao,
who was able to control the floods for a time through the Shirang, a miraculous soil with the ability to self-expand, yet could never completely stop them.
Therefore, we can understand that societies have different points of view and different ideas. In the first 2 myths, God wanted people to know that if they doesn't have a good behavior, bad things will happen.
In our opinion, the Chinese myth has a different meaning. We can see these 2 gods represent the different countries of the world. The most developed countries regularly are in conflict, and tragedies happen because they want to have the entire control like the gods in the Chinese myth, only making the other people struggle and causing difficult situations for the society. Thank you.